Are you trying to connect with family members from all over the world or just friends that aren't close by? Well, guess what? You probably need a webcam if you want to use a laptop or a PC's computer to do it. And why not do it in 2K? So in this episode, we're going to figure out how that's done. Let's go. Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at the iMiSES Webcam. This is the CC1006 camera from iMiSES, and it is phenomenal. It has a microphone and a speaker. It's a USB-C device. It's A+. It even shoots at 2K. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do an unboxing and a detailed review on the product. So let's unbox it. Come on. All right, everybody, we're going to be looking at the CC1006 camera. This is a webcam right here. Very nice. Looks like it's got dual speakers on it. So let's just go ahead and unbox it. Little double case right here. The fact that it's in this extra sleeve is pretty cool. But there's your actual box. There's a little side flip right here. Nice. Right there. Let's communicate more easily. Open that up and let's go ahead and pull everything out. First off, you got the instruction manual right here. Real short instruction manual. It's mostly going to be plug and play, so you're not going to have to worry about anything. Just make sure the device is plugged in with the USB. Be nice and gentle. Very nice. Look at this. The quality on this is great. They've got a little protective screen right here that you can kind of peel off. Got a speaker on the right and a microphone on the left. So dedicated sides to it for both of those things. And one of the really cool things I noticed about it is right here you can adjust whether or not you want the screen protector on. So a little privacy protection right here that you can flip on and kind of show yourself in the webcam, or lock it so any hackers or anything like that won't be able to see you. So very cool features right here. And it looks like you can even set it up on a tripod right here. That's very cool. A little tripod screw right there, and then of course the flip pad on the back so you can set that on your monitor the way you need to, like this. Monitor screen I hit right there, and then you can wedge it on the back just like a typical webcam. But yeah, the fact that it comes with that for a tripod setup is very nice and very cool. And of course it is USB, but here is the interesting thing. Look at this. This is a USB-C camera, everybody. So it is a USB-C device, but they do give you a splitter to move it up to a USB 2.0 or 3.0. Looks like that's what it is, 3.0 or 3.1. So very nice, very high quality camera right here. And let's go ahead and hook it up and see what we can do. This is a 3-in-1 webcam. It's a 2K QHD web camera. It's got autofocus and 360-degree adjustable. It's got noise reduction. It's plug and play. And did I mention it's USB-C? Perfect for things like streaming, video calling, conference calling, or just recording perimeters around you. It's got 2K QHD camera, speaker, and microphone. Supporting a 2K image output, the maximum resolution is up to 2560 by 1440. This webcam with microphone is compatible with 1080p, 720p, 480p, and 360p. Also, it's presenting clear, sharp, and bright high-definition meeting details. Also, with one speaker and one microphone, the iMiSES 2K webcam maintains a more professional and smooth conference video meeting experience, making this 3-in-1 webcam an ideal choice for middle meeting rooms or just home offices. It's got a professional speaker with noise reduction microphone, built-in high sensitivity omnidirectional mic pickup.
Checking it 1 2. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Check 1. Check 1. This is the microphone test. This is how we sound. and it's pretty cool, right? Well, let us know in the comments. Test 1, 2. How about you?
The effective pickup distance of the computer webcam can be up to 15 feet, which ensures everyone is heard in the meeting. It's equipped with a unique noise suppression algorithm. The iMiSES 3-in-1 webcam can automatically pick up your voice and filter background noise, allowing you to project a clearer voice and ensuring easy communication. It's got a 90-degree wide view and a 360-degree rotation axis. The 90-degree view of the webcam with the microphone enables Teams and the whiteboard to be captured with ease. You can kind of get it all in frame. The 360-degree rotative axis allows the 3-in-1 webcam to shoot from any angle. You can also select a tripod clip for the iMiSES webcam to meet multiple angle needs on computers, laptops, desktops, and just pretty much all surfaces. It's plug and play with wide compatibility. It's coming with the USB cable and the USB-C to USB-A adapter, or you could say USB 2.0 or 3.0 or whatever. The USB webcam is practical under any port situation. There's no driver required. The iMiSES webcam is compatible with Windows 7. It only supports 2K and below, but on Windows 8.1 and 10 or higher, it can go higher than that. You can get the full 2500 aspect ratio out of this thing. But it also works on Mac OS 10.10 or higher. It's Google Chromebook. It works with version 29.0154 or higher. It works on a Linux computer. You just need support for the UVC, but it'll work. So overall, this webcam has it all. I mean, it's 3-in-1 in the package. It shoots in 2K. It's got noise reduction. It's able to capture voices from 15 feet away. I mean, it's action-packed. But, that's why we're showing it to you on this episode of Good Tech Cheap. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments wherever you're watching us what you thought of a device like this and just how technology is getting better for meetings and just doing things like remote work, right? So this little webcam right here can make remote work for you on the next level, right? Very, very cool and professional. But we want to give a huge shout out to iMiSES for sponsoring this video and allowing us to share this product with you guys. Don't forget to check any descriptions where they're available to see if we have any discount codes down there. And of course, all the links will be down there for the brand to learn more about this really, really cool webcam right here. But as always, thank you guys for watching. If there's a bell, click it for notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next review. Should probably go call my mom. Oh, God.